Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Well, today we're going to put them head to head and figure out which one you should be using. I'm going to open up with the designed Microsoft Excel. Probably doesn't know how to use all of its features. That's how powerful Microsoft Excel is. And through the years that Microsoft Excel has been developed and updated, you can only imagine what a powerful software suite just Microsoft Excel is without any of its extra add-ins, such as its AI-powered tools. So Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is now called 365 Copilot, is now embedded inside Excel, which automates your data cleaning, complex formula generations, trend identifications, and reports creations, saving you time and reducing errors. It also allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize with your data with pivot tables, charts, conditional formatting, and it's got the built-in Power Query for business intelligence. You can also use VBA macros and Power Automate, which integrate to streamline repetitive tasks and tailor your workflow to your unique project needs. It is also widely used for financial modeling, budgeting, project tracking, CRM, marketing, analytics, and operational reporting across enterprises and SMBs. Having a look over here, 750 plus global users. It's the most popular spreadsheet software worldwide. It's trusted by over 80% of businesses for critical data tasks. It also has 100% seamless integrations. So you can work with Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and this is only the tip of the iceberg. It's got tons more integrations. It automatically updates delivery cutting edges features such as AI Copilot, Power Pivot, and the enhanced data visualization, and this is all without extra costs. Having a look at the cost over here, so included in your Microsoft 365 subscription, Excel will offer all of these powerful capabilities without any additional software purchases. It's ideal for organizations pretty much of any size, and specifically if you are wanting to work in a team, especially if your team is divided, this is great because you can sync everything in real time. Okay, Google Sheets, a very strong competitor in the industry, gives you real-time collaboration, advanced data analysis, custom visualizations, automations, integrations, accessibility, a really good cost, and very versatile use cases. So just to break that down, okay, Google Sheets allows you to collaborate in real time with as many members as you need. It also has those powerful tools like pivot tables, the query function, conditional formatting. You can create macros, which will automate even the most complex data tasks efficiently, and then you can create dynamic charts, pivot visualizations, and interactive dashboards that can transform all of your raw data into clear, more actionable business insights. You got all of a Google Apps scripts and the built-in macros to automate all of your workflows. You can pretty much go to the Google App Store or the integration store. You can go and integrate pretty much anything within Google Workspace. The cost, so it's cloud-based and it's accessible on any device as long as you have an internet connection, and it is free for individual users, making it fantastic for any remote or hybrid teams that need accessibility but are on a budget. It's perfect for making marketing campaign tracking, financial modeling, sales consolidations, project management dashboards, and pretty much any real-time reporting which is necessary across all of your teams. Its competitive and market advantages. Let's have a look over here. Speed and performance, definitely. It's quick, it's accessible. They're cloud-native collaboration. This means that if you are working in a team, it's great because there's no desktop app and you save stuff locally. Everything is already synced in the cloud. It's great. It works across web, Android, iOS, and it integrates with Google Drive for file management and sharing. You've got the AI and the smart features which are now being incorporated. And as part of Google's Workspace, Google Sheets is actually trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, from agile startups to global enterprises. They are powering data-driven decisions at every type of scale. It's easy to use, it's got powerful automations, and ultimately, it's got unmatched collaboration. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.